Oil and filter renewal. Select first gear and apply the handbrake. Jack up the front of the vehicle and support it on axle stands. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell. Release the secondary hatch. Open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet prop. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Position the draining container under the drain plug. Unscrew, then remove the sump drain plug and allow the oil to drain. The container may need repositioning as the flow slows to a trickle. Remove the old plug sealing washer. Wipe the drain plug with a clean rag, then fit a new washer. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain plug opening. Refit the plug with the new sealing washer and tighten. If you haven't already, remove this cover to access the oil filter and move the drain container into position under the filter. The oil filter is located on the left-hand side of the engine, viewed from the driver's seat. Using a 76mm oil filter removal socket or strap wrench, slacken the filter initially, then unscrew it by hand the rest of the way. Empty the oil into the old filter into the container. Use a clean rag to remove oil, dirt and sludge from the filter sealing area on the engine. Lubricate the sealing ring with clean engine oil, then screw it into position on the engine. Refit the cover and also the engine underguard if necessary. Then remove the container of old oil from underneath the car. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Position a funnel in the oil filler hole to help avoid spillage. Withdraw the dipstick. Fill the engine using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the max mark on the dipstick. Refit the filler cap.